guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a Tribe beauty bag for June/July. Do you want to know what's in my bag? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this just arrived. This should be the June/July since it's a bi-monthly beauty subscription. They do send me this for review. So thank you so much, Tribe Beauty, for sending me your beauty bag to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to be in here. I do, oh yeah, I can, whoa, that is really red. I said in a different video, I scratched the crap out of my eye last night. I was trying to get something out of there and I couldn't find it. I still can't find it, but I still feel it in there. I've been trying to flush it, but it does have a little bit of redness, but it's just in this little portion right here. So try not to look there. I can't do anything about it. It's irritating. It's irritated, but it's irritating me. So let's go ahead and see what is all going to be down inside of this bag. If I can pull everything out. Woohoo! Okay. So got everything out in one shot. Ooh, this is a big thing here, you guys. This is a Luxie Brush Set. Those are gorgeous. Okay, yes, June Tribe Beauty. Here is the card. Thank you for your order. And this goes over the products with the pricing. But oh my gosh, you guys, I've never really been too excited about brushes. If you follow me, you know. When I see a brush, I'm just like, yay. But today, that is completely changed. I'm like, yay! Like, these are so freaking pretty. Let me remove this plastic because those are gorgeous. Okay, so now that I've removed the plastic, oh wow. It's just like that peachish color. Like, these are gorgeous. Okay, so a little bit of information. I've never been so excited about brushes. Holy moly, this is a first. I better write this shit down on the calendar. Luxie Glimmer Set. Handcrafted, premium, synthetic brushes. Achieve the ultimate glow with our Glimmer Set. Inspired by rose quartz. Feel unconditional love and inner peace with this set. This is a 5-piece premium synthetic brush collection. This is all cruelty-free. And let's take a look at these because, again, these are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Look at these. This definitely does have like a rose quartz feel to it, but to me, these are kind of like I would say more of a peachy color, where the rose quartz is definitely a pink. This is not a pink. To me, this is more of like an orangey peachish, a peach color. And that's what it looks like to me, but these are so pretty. Holy moly. Okay, so here's the biggest guy, and this one is the 520. So this one is the tapered face brush. Ooh, so soft. Nothing's coming out. Just so soft. This is just gorgeous. I like that orangish color there, like a peach. That is super pretty. I like that. Okay, so here, that's a tight fit. It has like a little, that was a tight fit. So this one here is the 522. So this is the tapered highlighter. This one is the 205. This is the tapered blending brush. Oh, that would feel nice up in there. These are nice. It's like, get this out. This is 239. This is the precision shader. And then this guy is the 512, which is the small contouring brush. Again, super soft. These are synthetic bristles. That is nice. Oh my goodness, you guys. Like, I'm really, really excited about this brush set. Yes, there's always a first for everything. Let me tell you. But that is the brush set in its entirety for all 5 pieces. And most of the Luxie brushes that I have received through different boxes, they're all like the pink handle. And I've got some from this box as well, but they're all the pink handle. So this is so cool that it's a different, it's the handcrafted premium synthetic brushes Glimmer Set. Those are so nice. Okay, so I'm excited. Do we have to keep going? Because I'm already excited about that brush set. Let's see how much those are. The Luxie Beauty Luxury Glimmer Brush Set values for $80. Holy moly. That's $80 for that set. Just for the brush set, you guys, and I'm loving it. So let's just keep on going. This is the other thing that was out of, it's, you know, everything else is down inside of here. So this says Lip Scrub Birthday Cake. Say Karma Co. Birthday Cake Lip Scrub. This is valued for $20. No better way to celebrate your lips while doing your skincare routine than with this birthday cake lip scrub. Handmade with exfoliating cane sugar and moisturizing, this scrub buffs and pampers your lips for the ultra subtle radiance. And it says a lip scrub. And then on the inside, oh, there's a little pull off little lid. That smells so good. Oh yes. So that's what it looks like on the inside, and it smells just like a freaking birthday cake. Like you had some icing on that cake and everything. Like, oh, that smells so good. That's gonna feel so good. Rub-a-dub-dubbing on my lips. Rub-a-dub-dub-dub-dubbing on my lips. So there is that guy valued for $20. So there's already, that's $100 already at the value. And there's still some stuff down in here. Okay, so the one that tried to roll away right now, this is Ofra. This is an eyebrow pencil. It's called, it says Universal. And I don't see a color name. Maybe Universal is the color name. It just says Universal on it. This says Ofra Universal Eyebrow Pencil, valued for $13. So that's what this one looks like. It says Love a Natural Brow. This pencil is universally flattering on all brow tones. This pencil is made from synthetic beeswax, so it easily glides onto your brows to create a smooth and long-lasting shape. And it is like a neutral brownish color. It does maybe look a little bit darker. No, it's like a medium. It's definitely like a medium brown. So that probably should go with anybody that has like a natural brown color or brown tones or brown brows right there. But that is actually probably looks like my color even. So it's a universal brow pencil. And again, that is valued for $13. Oh, so this is a palette. Okay, so let me get this open. And this is Romantic Getaway. So there would be two different color variations when it came to this eyeshadow palette. Both of them would be valued for $24. In Romantic Getaway or Day Trip would just be the color variation. So let's get this one open. And again, this one is the Romantic Getaway. It's a cute box. Ooh, those are some pretty colors. This is a different like package. I haven't really seen anything for packaging like this. So this is unique for sure. Let me see if I can get it opened. Okay, so there is a little top part that's actually numbered 1 through 9. And here is the different color variations. That is so pretty because you guys know my main go-to colors other than browns are like these colors, the plums and the burgundies, the mauves. So that is super, super pretty. And I like that there is this glitter and this glitter. So when I do like my lower lid to be a lighter color, they have that in here with, oh, I can't wait. I cannot wait to try this palette out. I'm gonna use this tomorrow. So let me go ahead and grab a few, ooh, nice and soft and buttery. Trying to get my little fat fingers in these little holes. But let's get some colors here so you can, ooh. And this is just one swipe wonder on each of these. Let me get a few more. This one right here is like a glitter. My finger almost like went all the way in, but this one is like a normal shimmer. I did pick up every color on my hand. That's the brow bone. This right here is the one that I said my whole finger just like dipped into. So it's like all this glitter, but there's so much pigment to it. You have the lighter colors, you have the darker colors, and then this one right here, that is this pink one right there. Super, super pretty though, you guys. Look at all of those colors. And all I did was just do a quick little circle and wipe it right down. I didn't have to go back in on any of the colors to add more color. That's what I got off of one swipe wonder. One swipe wonder. That is nice. I cannot wait to try out this palette, you guys. That is super, super pretty. And I like that there's so many different color variations that all go with each other. So I'm really loving that. I don't save these, so I don't know what I was gonna do by trying to put that back in there. I'll toss that. And then the last item in here is an Estee Lauder product. Ooh, is this like a perfume rollerball? Did I tell? Yes, I did tell you. This one is $24 for that one. Once more again. So inside of here, this says Estee Lauder Modern Muse Rollerball. That's what it looks like on the inside. So for this, there was a different product that you could have received. So it would have been the Estee Lauder Modern Muse Rollerball like I received for $26 value, or you would have received a Ruts Naturals Potent C Serum. That one is valued for $52. This one again is $26, and it is a roller perfume bottle or perfume by Estee Lauder. This one smells decent. It doesn't smell like something that I would not wear, I guess I would say, but it's not something that I'm gonna jump on. So it's a good combination, especially being the rollerball. You can drop it in your purse, your book bag, your gym bag. So whenever you want just a little refresher, you can do it around your little points, you know, and just have a good smell going on. So, I mean, I like that they did put in a perfume. That's a good brand with Estee Lauder. It does smell good. It's growing on me. The more I keep smelling it, the more it's growing on me. So everything that came in this box that I received, I got the Estee Lauder Rollerball. We got this variation of the palette. There's an eyebrow pencil, a lip sugar scrub that smells scrumdiddlyumptious. Birthday cake. And the most exciting to me brush set that I have ever received, and it's just so pretty. I love that the peach brushes. I like how the design of look at that. It just looks so pretty. I love that. So that is everything that came in this beauty bag, you guys. Oh my gosh, this was an amazing box. I'm really pleased, not only with the brush set, which you guys know I'm super excited about for once, but this palette is so pretty and I cannot wait to try it out. This smells amazing. This is now smelling amazing, and we all can use a brow pencil. So this was a really great month. Holy moly, I'm super impressed. You guys comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the products that were in here. Do you get Try Beauty? Do you want to get Try Beauty? Comment down below and let me know. If you do want a little bit more information, I do have my own code. My code is SheCrafty, and that'll get you 10% off when you are buying the subscription. With Try Beauty, you will receive a box of trendy and indie brands every 2 months. You'll get 5 full-size beauty products worth over $120, and we already know this one's well over because this right here is $100. This was 20 something, and 13. So the grand total for this month's box will be right here. That'll be for everything added up. Again, it's twice a month, so there's only 6 of them per year, which I do like. So you're not getting bombarded with products. You're getting some amazing products only 6 times per year. If you want to just do month to month, it's $34.99 plus shipping. If you want to do 3 months, it'll bring it down to $32. And if you do 6 months, it'll bring it down to $30 per box. Try Beauty Box is 100% a female-owned company, and they also have a lash scoop. I always forget to tell you guys, if you are lash wearers and you like lashes, they have a lash subscription. You will receive premium lashes, 5 different lashes delivered monthly for only $11.99. If you do 6 months, it's even cheaper. And if you go to 12 months, it's even cheaper. And you can do and get just 5 different lashes to use throughout the month. And then the following month, you get more lashes to use. So if you are into lashes, you can definitely check that out. It is on their page as well. I will link them down below. And again, SheCrafty will get you that 10% off your subscription. Their goal is to help you discover the next big thing in beauty. Each box is valued at $120 or more every time, so you can enjoy and discover the beauty of indie brands at a fraction of the cost. We help you take care of you in the best way possible with the best women-owned and indie brands possible. From skin prepping to the very tools you need, this beauty box will never cease to surprise. And that's one thing that I do appreciate about this. They do give you a lot of staples. You have like an eyeshadow palette. You'll have like normally a lip product. This time we didn't, which I'm good because I don't wear lip products. But they do send you a lot of good variations in the products that they send every single box. So I do appreciate that. And I'm loving this. This is growing on me more and more, and I'm smelling it more and more. And I mean, I'm good with that too. So I honestly really am pleased with this month's box, you guys. Oh, if you guys want to hear a little story, like this morning, I was feeling good. My dog woke me up at 4 o'clock in the morning, and then I put her back to bed and she still woke me up early. So I had already started off like early. Thought I was like, okay, fine. This is a good foot. Fine, I'll go to work early. This is fine. So I get to work and I set the alarm. I put in the code to turn the alarm off, and this little like light lit up on the side, and it's like a caution symbol. Normally it's a battery or something. It just means that there's something not quite right. And I couldn't remember what the alarm guy told me to do to figure out what the issue was. So I tried to call him and he didn't answer at the time. So I left a message. And then when I saw this little, you know, symbol, it's just a little triangle caution lit up yellow. And I saw over here in the second button, there's 3 buttons over here, and the one in the middle looked almost the same shape. So I was like, oh, maybe this is what I pressed to find out what this does. So I pressed it. It didn't really do anything. I pressed and held it and it beeped at me. So I stopped, and then it didn't do anything. It didn't notify me. It didn't say anything. Nothing changed. I was like, okay, whatever. So I walked away. A little bit later, the fire department and the ambulance come busting up into the parking lot. We are not completely open just yet. The employee just got there and he's like, yo, do you see this fire department just bust in here so quick? And I was like, oh, maybe they need a key. If you don't know, I work at a locksmith shop, so I'm thinking maybe they need a key. I don't know what the hell they're doing. So just as they were pulling up and they're all like getting out of their vehicle quickly, I'm like, holy shit, like what's going on? They didn't even like park in a parking spot. They just pulled straight to the front door and just stayed where they were. They were half in the park, handicap parking, half in this, like, okay, they just need a key. At that time, I had an 800 number call and I answered it, and they were saying that I needed medical response. And I'm like, I don't need medical response. And then it like a light lit up. I'm like, that's why these people are in front of my door right now. And I'm like telling them, hold on, because I don't know what's going on. The door's not open just yet. So my employee's walking around. They're all coming out with their bags. Like they're going to be servicing somebody. Like somebody really needs some attention. And I felt really bad because I really didn't need attention. I was just trying to press a button to see what in the world it meant. So I'm on the phone with the alarm company and they're like, do you want me to cancel? I'm like, they're here. I'm like, they're already here in my parking lot. I'm like, but I didn't need this. Like you guys don't call before you dispatch. Like I didn't need any of this. Like none of this is necessary. I'm so sorry. And I felt really, really bad. And then they came in and I explained to them, I'm like, you see this right here? I'm like, it looks like this. So I pressed this and he's like, oh, it does look the same. I'm like, yeah. And he's like, well, can't you just put in your code and hit reset? I'm like, no, it doesn't work like that. You need to find out what it is and fix the problem that won't turn off, which it ended up being, I guess the external, there's an external battery up in the main thing in the roof that ended up, I guess, going bad supposedly. So he had to come and replace that battery and now we're good to go. But I've never done that. And I said, you guys got here so quick that if I do need medical attention, I'm not even going to call. I'm just going to press that button and let you guys come for real next time. I said, I'm so sorry. But yeah. So I started off on a really good note this morning at work, you guys. Like great. What's the rest of the day gonna be? Just give it to me. Let's just go. So yeah, I just wanted to share my little experience that happened this morning. I don't know if we're gonna be charged for that. I hope not. Hopefully they give you like one free free pass on that one. I'm not sure how that works, but if they do, then I guess that can just, I'll pay it because I did it. So there's that. So that is everything that I have for this particular beauty bag and my little story to tell you of what happened. That's never happened to me before, and I bet you that will never happen again because I will never press that button unless I really, really need medical attention. It shouldn't be that easy. What if a kid presses that button not knowing, you know? It just shouldn't have been that easy, but it was. So there's that. So you guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items in this box? Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.